before the storm. Things aren't as they were before.
Guys, today I'm here with RPGShow here. I got it in a string bag, the box that's branded with their name, and then there's the box. So let's see what we got. Ooh, I'm seeing this. It give me, cute little designer vibe. I like the packaging, very sleek and classy. So I have this little card, it says RPGShow. It's really an information card. This is so cute. It really just has like the information of the product inside, so that's really cute. Also has their social media, and it's a little thank you. It has their social media listed, and it's a little thank you card. It's so nice. I like that. So the wig is wrapped in tissue paper. Before I get into that, let's see what else is in the box. I got a wig cap and like a little bag here, a pouch that you could store your wig in after you're finished, and it's branded RPGShow. I give them a 10 for their packaging. It's really nice and classy. All right, wow, I don't even want to mess up these waves. So the wig that we're working with today, it's the code BU, it's called Buki005, so it's BUKI005, and this is how it looks. It's a 20-inch silky textured lace front wig. Today's wig that we're working with, it's also a tinted Swiss lace, and it's a medium brown color. I did get a medium cap size, and the hair that we have here, it's 200% in density. Like, I'm gonna definitely be doing like a side part with, and it did come with a little, it did come with like a side part, so I like it. The construction of the wig, it has 3 combs in total on the inside of the cap, also an extra elastic band on the inside, and I really do like this. Love the street vibe. It's that nice blonde street vibe. I'm gonna be sure to put the specific name of this wig in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But let's go ahead and jump into just installing this. This is so pretty. I proceeded to putting on the wig, the usual. But I'm not gonna lie, guys, from the moment I took this wig out of the box, I was just super pleased with the quality. You could just tell when something is of good quality, So it is silky, but it's not like extremely silky, and I think you could probably tell a bit from seeing it on camera. And I feel like just because it's processed, that is why that might be the case, but it's no biggie to me at all. As you can see, I'm just cutting away the extra ear portion, which is a bit too long for my head. This was pre-plucked really nicely. It wasn't overdone. It was just right. Everything looks super natural, and the lace, as I said before, it's really, really easy to work with. Swiss lace for me is just always a 10. At first, maybe when you just start out with like practicing with it, it's something that you have to be very gentle with, because you don't want to overstretch it and all of that, and that's because the lace is thin. So if you stretch it too much, it might end up looking crimply. So you have to know what you're doing, but with practice you get better. And so I don't know, it just melts into the skin so nicely, looks really effortless. So I feel like for me, transparent lace is good as well, but like this is just top tier, look at that. So I'm using my Got2b, as you know, and it's just melting in so nicely. And if you want to wear your wig for a prolonged period, this is a good lace as well, because it's going to look so natural, and because it's so thin, it's just going to soak up that glue. So yeah, so I'm just cutting that away, and as you see, I try to bring it a little closer up in the camera for you guys, so you can see how nicely undetectable that is. I didn't want to do like a lot of baby hairs today, so my swoops were really light and just minimal, because you really don't need to even do any form of baby hair. It's totally up to you if you want it or if you don't want it. It's all up to your vibe, your mood, how you're feeling. So yeah.
It's the calm before the storm.
So once I'm done with, you know, doing the little soups, I get my hot comb and I start laying everything even further.
Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. The tides are changing. Can you hear the sound?
And I wanted to camouflage the parting and make it look a little bit more precise, so I just got my rat tail comb with some concealer on the end, and that was like completely fixed. It looks so good. So I didn't have to do much work in terms of the styling because you saw that this wig came with waves, but like for the front I wanted to redefine the wave there, so I did that in the bang area and then on the other side as well, and that was pretty much it.
Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? Ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change.
This hair, this wig is definitely a 12 out of 10. I never have to use no makeup at all for camouflage this or anything. Like, again, Swiss lace, winner. I give this wig a 12 out of 10. The curls that came in it, all I did was recurl this side and touch up this side, and as you can see, lay. But you see that? I did 2 tiny swoops on the side, and you know the sideburns, that was it. It laid so good. You see, one thing with RPGShow, you can guarantee quality with this company. It's a while that I've been working with them, and I've always gotten really good quality, and I love the color combination with this wig. It's really nice. The shedding is minimal, okay? The shedding is there, but it's very minimal, so just to make you certain on that part, because I know that's something that, you know, a lot of people always want to be sure about. I don't know, it's so nice, appropriate for fall. You want to dibble and dabble into a little bit of color, this is it. If you get married, this is it. Because you know you want the most natural looking thing. That kind of lace here, it win every time. Oh, by the way, and even though I do the swoops, you guys see for yourself. You don't need baby hairs for this. You don't. It's gorgeous as is. So shout out to RPGShow for this bomb wig. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Okay. Also, the specifications on the wig itself, so you can see the specific density, the length, all that good stuff. Check out my description box for all that information. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. It's a 12 out of 10. Highly recommend this wig. Highly. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go make up yourself.
We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the